This is a 2017 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive with the FX4 off-road package on it. It is a crew cab, Oxford white paint with the medium earth gray cloth, and it has a 6.2 liter gas V8, and that's paired with the 6-speed auto. This does have the B&W fifth wheel trailer hitch here. It's got the turnover ball. These are the Ford running boards, chrome with the black accents. It has a locking glove box with your owner's manual there inside. You have a secondary storage here up top. Has the trailer tow mirrors with the LED blinkers there on the corners, right here. And they do have the heated element inside. It's got a black exhaust tip, reverse parking sensors, backup camera. These have the 373 electronic locking axle. You have the door keypad code here, so type in your code if you don't have your key and you can enter the vehicle, and we'll provide the factory code for you as well. And then you can change it from there. This has the XLT value package on it, so it does get the fog lights. It gives you the adjustable gas brake pedal, reverse sensors, 8-way power driver seat, stuff like that. I will have the factory window sticker screenshotted in the photo section so you can see all the options. There's your tow hooks. You have the visor strip there on the top of the window. In the back seat, you do have some storage here underneath. This also will fold down flat to about right here. So if you don't want to use it, you can fold it down and get a little extra space. In the back of the console, you have a 12-volt port right there. And then that is your box link setup there in that box there. Those basically are right here. You'll see those in the corners, your little tie downs. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. There's your power driver seat. Power adjustable pedals, automatic headlights. There's your fog light button. Has 35,000 miles. Cruise control, Bluetooth. There's your tow haul mode. Got your backup camera, AM, FM, XM radio with a CD player. Here's your 4-wheel drive. Pull the knob out for your electronic lock. Trailer brake controller, climate control. You have a USB 12-volt, a little storage tray here. Then you got 2 USB ports there. Downhill assist, traction control. Got your map lights. All kinds of stuff. So here's the window sticker, but I'll take pictures of this, like I said, and put it in the window or in the photo section so you can see all these options. and it is keyless entry.